Hi guys, I'm Rich. Let's go through my top 5 things to watch for the week ahead in markets. Number 1, Euro bottom. Euro US dollar has been holding above 1.08 since coming close to it in early March. Now the Forex pair is back at the level. Last week the ECB kept interest rates on hold, but there is still some uncertainty about what it will do at the next meeting in May. The central bank could opt to bring forward the end of its bond buying program, but it will still be lagging behind the Fed, which is set to hike rates by 50 basis points at the next meeting. Number 2, China GDP. Economic growth is expected to have slowed over Q1 in China, and the latest set of COVID lockdowns are expected to worsen the matter, possibly creating negative growth in Q2. So, while consumer price inflation remains low in China, unlike the rest of the world, the People's Bank of China looks ready to lower interest rates at its decision this week. And authorities have tentatively pledged support for the stock market. Weak growth is bad news, but could be seen as good news if it means more government stimulus. Number 3, IMF meeting. With the war in Ukraine continuing and Russia coming under increasing international pressure, there is a small but increased risk of significant political decisions or commitments taking place at this week's IMF meeting. Number 4, Tesla and Netflix earnings. The COVID lockdown is set to affect Tesla electronic vehicle production in Q2, but high earnings expectations for Q1 and talk of a possible dividend have helped propel Tesla shares back over $1,000. Netflix shareholders will be hoping for some evidence that the slowdown in subscriber growth predicted by the streaming company last quarter was not as bad as expected, though after pulling out of Russia, expectations could easily be missed. Will the stock see another 20% plus price move after its earnings release? Number 5, economic data. Canadian and New Zealand inflation data will be released this week, in addition to the financial Eurozone CPI print for March. Should oil prices continue to rise, inflation concerns are likely to be exacerbated, potentially weighing on risk sentiment in markets. And a small note that it is Easter Monday in the UK, so the London Stock Exchange is closed, but the Forex market is open with Great British Pound US dollar still trading. Of course, you can click the link in the description to see the full economic calendar, but for now, thank you everyone, good luck trading this week, and a quick reminder to smash that like button and press subscribe so you don't miss more content like this when it's released.